Here's a clip that I showed on my Workbench Wednesday on October 30th. It's about Plaster of Paris. I did a video on this many years ago on how I extend the working time with a little trick. So see what I do here. I'm going to give you a little tip on Plaster of Paris. Now, I revealed this in a video maybe 5 or 6 years ago that I use a couple of drops of vinegar to increase the working time for the Plaster of Paris. And it gives you a lot more time to play around with it before it gets hard. Okay, and what I do is I do small batches, like a half a cup of Plaster of Paris to a quarter cup of water. I might add just a little bit more water to get a little bit thinner if I want to make something really smooth, like on the roadway that I did today. So the first batch that I did today, I put a little bit, way too much. You know, I had a little, like a 2 ounce, maybe a 1 ounce bottle, and I just poured it, and I just went overboard with it, and it cured really fast. As soon as I started smoothing it out, before I went in and get another spatula and put it up there, it was already getting cakey to where I couldn't smooth it out anymore. So I had to make another batch, use up what I had, you know, get to the road surface, and then make another batch a little bit thinner and mix it the proper way with only 2 drops of the vinegar, and then laid it over top of it so it was a little bit milky, so it's a nice and smooth surface. But it gives you a lot longer curing time, and I was able, you know, with just a half a cup to do the top of the road surface, okay, and from there all the way to there on the edge of the track, and fill in some other parts. I have another video of it, but I'll turn it around so you can see it. But I did all this right here on that side, filled all this in, and smoothed this out, covered that up, and, you know, did this over here, smoothed all that out with a half a cup. The first batch was right underneath here, and it just caked it up immediately. Oh yeah, and every once in a while you could find a good price on Plaster of Paris, just like this. I think I found this one at Lowe's. Hobby Lobby has it for sale every once in a while, and Michael's too. I hope you enjoyed this little tip about Plaster of Paris. Join me on other videos and on my live streams on Wednesday night on YouTube and Rumble, where you may see more tips on anything about model railroading or just about anything else. So until the next time, we'll see ya, and have fun with whatever you're doing.